They're in the gate. And they're off. Oh, Tar Heel Mom stumbled coming out of there. And that gives the advantage and the lead to Hilda's Passion. Tar Heel Mom, that little stumble at the start cost this front runner, who's now going up to engage Hilda's Passion down the backstretch run. And Tamarin Hall is now running in third. Bronx City Girl is now fourth, followed by Devil by Design in fifth. And Robbie Alvarado is keeping stretch running Sassy Image well clear and on the outside as the field approaches the far turn. Hilda's Passion, the leader, got a quarter, 22-4. Tar Heel Mom a length behind in second. Sassy Image is going wide around that far turn. She's really hung up out there. Down to the inside, Tamarin Hall runs along in third as they round the far turn. Hilda's Passion on top, 45-2 was the half mile. Sassy Image has bolted and has gone way behind the rest of the field. So it's Hilda's Passion turning for home with the lead. Tar Heel Mom has been second most of the way with Tamarin Hall in the outside third. And now Javier Castellano says go with Hilda's Passion, and she is putting on a display here. Hilda's Passion just runs away from them all through the stretch, will win all by herself. Almost won the ballerina by 10 lengths. Tar Heel Mom and Tamarin Hall.